Chicago book citations are simple once you know the parts. Use author, year, title, and publisher in this order for books. Start with the author's full name. For two authors, use and. For several, list them in order. Next comes the year in parentheses, then a period. Use the book's publication year, not the printing year. Italicize the book title and use headline-style capitalization. If there's a subtitle, add it after a colon. Finish with the publisher name. Keep it plain text, then end with a period. Here's a complete Chicago book citation with the punctuation and italics in place. Avoid skipping periods and italics. The corrected version keeps the year in parentheses and the title in italics. If a book has no author, begin with the title, then the year and publisher. GenText can format a Chicago book citation in Word, with punctuation and italics handled for you. GenText formats Chicago citations automatically in Word, free to try.